Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
So now let's look at applying custom animation. To apply custom animation in 2000 or 97, you can select Slideshow from the menu bar and then choose Custom Animation. And that'll launch the Custom Animation dialog box. What you'll see is any object shown on the slide in the animation order in the upper left corner. In 2000, they have little check boxes in front of them, and you can check off the ones that you would like to apply animation to. Down below that, we have the tabs that we have to switch through and set settings on in order to apply animation to the selected object. Over to the right of that, you'll see a 3-button group that says OK, Cancel, and Preview. Clicking OK applies any selections made to the animated objects on the slide. Cancel would cancel any animation changes you've made, or Preview allows you to preview the animation as it would occur in the preview window provided. So we have to toggle between the tabs that are available down below to set our animation. Now the tab titles in the Custom Animation dialog box are Timing, Effects, Chart Effects, and Play Settings if you're using 97, or Order and Timing, Effects, Chart Effects, and Multimedia Settings if you're using 2000. In 97, if you click the Timing tab, you'll see a white selection box with a list of all the slide animation objects. You can click on the object you want to animate above, and then choose Animate to the right. If you didn't want to animate it, you could choose Don't Animate, which removes it from the animation order. For any animated objects, you also have to select whether it should be animated on the mouse click or automatically, and then enter a number of seconds after the previous event that their selected animation would start at. If you're using 2000, you have to click on the object that you'd like to animate in the upper left corner first to check it and make sure that it's going to be set as being an animated object. And then, once again, make sure on the Order and Timing tab that that object is selected, and when should it start its animation, on the mouse click or automatically so many seconds after the previous event. Also, you can change the order of the objects by simply clicking on the one that you'd like to change the order of and clicking Move Up or Move Down to change its order in the animation scheme. In 97, you did that at the top of the Custom Animation dialog box. Now the Effects tab allows you to take for the selected object one of the entry animations and sounds and apply them. You can use the sound drop-down to choose which sound you'd like. Once again, you could also choose no sound, or you could pick your own sound by choosing the other sound option from the bottom of the drop-down. Below the Entry Animation and Sound section, you'll see a section called After Animation. And here's what you select what action you want to perform after the animation's been displayed. So it could say Don't Dim, hide it after the animation, or hide it on the next mouse click, or you could have it changed to a different color. Also, if the thing that you are animating is text, then in both of these sections you have an Introduce Text section. And here you can set the animation style for the individual text and how it will be animated. It could be animated all at once, by word, or by letter. Also, if you'd like it grouped, you can group it by first level paragraph, second, third, fourth, or fifth. And that controls the animation of the bullets. So usually if you wanted each bullet, say, to fly in, you could choose something like fly for the effect. Let's say we fly in from the right, and we would like it to be grouped by first level paragraphs. Over to the right then, if you click Preview, you can see that each one of the bullet points will fly in independently. The next tab is Chart Effects, and here you can customize the animation for charts that you've inserted into your PowerPoint presentation. The options here are the same as for animating transitions, slide effects, and text boxes. And you may also animate the grid and legend, and this tab only appears available if you selected a chart object first. Otherwise, this tab is grayed out. The final tab is called Play Settings or Multimedia Settings, and here you set the animation for objects such as movies and sound files. So you can see the Custom Animation dialog box is the perfect place to go to have complete control over every aspect of animation for all your slide objects, whether they're text boxes, clip art, movie, sound files, charts, or hyperlinks. And so to apply it, just click OK, and you've successfully applied your own custom animation.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.